안녕하세요. 최이름은 Dshandubnida. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with an unboxing for you. And today I am unboxing my Ricky's Cold Crushes for June 2018. I will leave all the information down below about Ricky's Cold Crushes. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, Ricky's Cold Crushes, I will tell you this. The price of this subscription did go up. It was $11. But now, starting this month in June, they have gone up to $14. So they're a little bit more pricey. Hopefully, they're still good because every Ricky's box that I've received has been amazingly awesome. I've really enjoyed this subscription. For the $11 I was paying, you're getting some very good quality things. So let's get started. By the way, if you are a Ricky subscriber, you get 25% off of anything on the website. No questions asked, no coupon code needed. So I do like that. This is the card, what it looks like right here. Ricky's Cold Crushes. And this tells you everything that is in the box for this month of June. By the way, if you are in New York, there is a store. You know what Ricky's is. Ricky's is a store, a makeup store in New York. It is wall-to-wall makeup. Literally, if you are a makeup collector, lover, you're going to lose your mind when you go in that store. Let me tell you. They have all kinds of brands. Even brands I've never even heard of are in Ricky's. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I see in here is from Suva Beauty. And I've received something from this company before. This is the pressed shadow. And let's see here, the shimmer shadow. I don't know what color you are. And by the way, there are no prices on here, but this is what the packaging looks like. I keep playing with it. I believe this is going to be magnetic, so it can fit in my whatsamajigget. Ooh, boy, I don't want to break this either. I need to be careful. Deshonda, be careful. All right, so this color that I have is Gatstown Grind. That's the color of the shadow. And it's a nice big old pan of shadow, too. It's a gold color. It's extremely pretty. See that? Very pretty. But I need to be careful with this because I don't want it to break. This is definitely going to go into my, this will be going into my, my Z palette that I got from my BoxyCharm. If I can get this back in here. I'm scared I can't get it back in here, y'all. Because I don't want it to break. I don't want it to break, so I'm going to be really careful with it. Ooh-wee. All right. Get in there, because hopefully. There we go. Yeah, this is immediately going into my palette. All right, so it looks like I have some masks from Avatara. I have a couple of Avatar face masks here. One of them is the Shape of Face Mask for delicate skin. Looks like that there. I love getting face masks. If you are new to my channel, even if you watch my videos, you know that I love a good face mask. This one is for uneven skin. This is the Even Out face mask. Get the skinny on smaller pores. Looks like that there. And there's the other side of it. And then I have another. This right here is from Divine Collection. And this is the eye patches. The patches that go under your eye. They're gold plus collagen and paraben free. And that's what it looks like. These little eye patches. I like these. These are really, really nice. What I usually do with these eye patches, that's the other side, by the way. What I do is I put these in the refrigerator. And I let them get really, really cold. And then I put them underneath my eyes. Does wonders. Absolutely love it. Also, we have in here, ooh, yo, we got some Hairfinity vitamins. We got Hairfinity. Oh my, look at that. That's awesome. This is, okay, I've never had a beauty box send me hair and skin vitamins. This is awesome. This is a 7-day supply of vitamins. And these right here, I've never taken them, but I've heard a lot of good things about Hairfinity, that they're really, really good vitamins. So I will be definitely trying those for 7 days. We also got in here, this is from Gulsha. This is the Ultimate Rose Water for all skin types. It's alcohol and paraben free, gluten and glycol free, and it's perfume free and colorant free. Are you tested on animals? You got all this. It's 100% natural. I know that. And this is what it looks like right here. This is rose water. Rose water is really, really good. And this says it's good on the go. It protects, soothes, and tones your skin. It's a good pick-me-up on hot summer days. Let's see here. Ooh, that smells really good. If you have a sensitive nose, you may not like this smell, because them roses, they really come through in this. And this is not, can you see that, guys? I don't want to spill me. But it's not a spray. So, I like the way this smells. My nose isn't sensitive. So, and then last but not least, this is the last thing. Yeah, last but not least, ooh, from Murad. This is the Clarifying Cleanser Acne Control. Murad is a very good facial cleansing line. Very good skincare line. Murad facial cleansers and things. Very, very good skincare line. I used to work at Bath and Body Works a long time ago, and I learned all about Murad. This stuff is expensive too. It ain't cheap, but I'm telling you, it's good. So I'm happy to get this. All right, so I believe that's everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 things this month. Everything else that's in here is like, confetti. Let's go ahead and recap. I got the Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser from Murad. I got from Divine Collection these eye patches that are going to go in my refrigerator and then on my eyes. I got a couple of masks from Aventara. I got the Shape Up mask and the Even Out mask. Bam. I also got this rose water from Gulsha. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Smells really good. I got some Hairfinity, y'all. This right here is awesome. Hairfinity. I can't wait to take this. I believe that's kind of expensive. And I got this right here from Suva Beauty. This beautiful eyeshadow that I could not get back in the packaging properly, but it's going to go on my Z palette. All right, guys. That's everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to my new and my old subscribers. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. I'm very close to 1,000 subscribers, and when I reach 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway, and I'll let you know what that giveaway is when I reach that threshold. If you get Ricky's Cult Crushes, let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Let's talk about it. All right, guys, that is it. I will talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나